Hey guys, it's Gladys. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm on by the side of the road. I'm leaving my office and I'm going to go see or look at a project that is very close to our office. It's on Georgia Avenue, and just wanted to see what it looks like right now. Here's the front of the lot. It's currently, I think it's doing the interior currently. What the construction site looks like. Most likely doing the areaway right here. So right here, can't really see it. So there should be an areaway right there, and that's most likely why. There is, oh, they're doing a meter stack right here, which I think they did the design for as well, for the meter stack, which is a little bit protruding in public space. It's also in that bay here. It's also in public space. Something else that we did. So we see that the public space, line of public space, it starts where it starts, and also here. Yeah. See a little bit of areaway there. We'll go. Let's go around back to see the back of the site. On the front of the site, the back of the site, I have to walk all the way around. I did the original survey for this lot, I think about the end of 2020, beginning of 2021. I did the survey for this lot, for this project. It was a double lot, and they are almost done with construction. I think that this project is having a little bit of financial issues. That's why they kind of halted. They are doing affordable housing as well in this development, but it's now 2025. I first did the survey in 2021. They started doing construction about maybe 2-3 years ago. So this area right here is supposed to be permeable pavers. So if they do move forward with this project, we'd have to, because they have so much stockpile here, if we do move forward with this project, this area have to be this area would have to be retested. But because this area, this permeable pavement is not required for stormwater management, because I believe this site is less than 5,000 square feet. Actually, it doesn't have to be retested at all. So that's that site. It's actually, it's funny, I wish I could go inside, but I know they're dealing with other issues why this project was pretty much abandoned, and they're moving forward with, they're gonna sell it, and then possibly someone else would have it from moving forward. So that's the site. I'll do another video showing the actual design that I did, but this is like one of my babies. The people that clicked this video, and there was just only one person that viewed it before, you are the real MVP, because you took a chance on this video, you took a chance on me, and thank you so much. So much. And if also if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Just have hope that there's someone out there outside of me that loves civil engineering and wants to talk to me about it all day. So, like I said, we actually did do the structural facility drawings for this project, and so they have it installed here, but we had proposed it here inside the building. So I guess it just had a last minute change. They probably just did it on the site. Most likely they asked my permission before they did that, and I just don't remember, because this project was approved in March 2023. And here is a cross section that would be normal for a structural facility drawing, even though they installed it outside here, as you saw when we visited the site. And then here's the DC water plans. So So here's a survey I did. I first did this survey in like December 2020. It's crazy that I got this project approved June of 2022. And this was the DC water approval, final approval. The thing is, like, you do the survey and you wait a couple months because our architects and everybody has to put their plan set together. There's pauses along the way. I think we got it approved December 22. Let's see. Probably sooner than that. Yeah. It was 2022. We got DOE approval February 2022. And DC water. Okay. Back to you a little later. I wish I had this YouTube channel at the time so I remember why DC water took much longer. Oh, tree. That most likely was a reason. So because of the tree, we had to do a lot of things like very uniquely on this site. Here, you see this beautiful building that was designed by ADG, a great architects. So here's the areaway that we've noticed in the back. Here's a permeable pavement that I was talking about that we designed. There would be a green wall on this side of the building just to meet the GAR green area ratio requirements. Here's the other areaway. Here is the projection that I was talking about that's into public space. And here's this area. I wish I could like see it, but because it's blocked off, couldn't really see that area from the outside of the site. Looking at the utility plans, because of this tree, all these utilities were installed on this side. So what most likely happened? They put the meter stacks here and just connected straight from here because we're outside the structured root zone here. So most likely they did give me like asked me in like probably like a site visit or not a site visit. One of my engineers, they probably asked them and they approved it. Here are some of the utility profiles that we proposed. We did some hydraulic computations here. So here we are proposing to do this water line through the areaway. So this is going to be the elevated water line. And the reason we're doing that is because the entire frontage of the building is an areaway. Because the entire frontage of the building is an areaway, we had to find a way around that because this only has 4 feet of cover unless we like did some like crazy going down and going under. So we just had like a covering around it so that it could go through. And then with 1, 2, 3 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feet. Then there's a pipe here. I think that's enough room for them just to have that pipe go through and just like, because most people aren't 6 feet tall. Okay, so out of that, again, thanks for watching. I'm in my motel in DC, and I'm just happy that someone's watching, even though it's just 1 or 2 of you guys. But I got subscribers. Didn't see that coming. I thought I'd be like at 30 forever, or if anything, I thought I'll hit 30 and be like, okay, I got subscribers, and I got 2 people watching. But again, for people that are brave enough to hit and be that one person that watches, thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.